I'm gonna show you how to cook pancit canton, but first we gotta buy it. So let's go. So now we're gonna go to the store to buy pancit canton. Pancit canton is delicious, but it's not healthy if you eat it too much. My village is not that big, and the store is not that far. We're actually almost near it, actually. As you know, pancit canton has different flavors and also different spices, like different levels of spices. Like it could be very spicy, very super spicy, or not spicy at all. Well, for me sometimes. So we have arrived to the place where we buy pancit canton, but there are people buying, so we're gonna wait. Pabili po. Pancit canton po. Pancit canton.
Ano flavor?
Any do you have
Chili mansi.
So we're buying chili mansi, and once we return home, we're gonna cook it. Magkano po? 50? 15? 4 po. We're buying four pancit cantons. The flavor is chili mansi, are really spicy, and well, it has flavor.
60.
60 po. Okay, we got chili mansi. Now we're back in the house. Now we're gonna cook this chili mansi. Now let's get inside and cook this babble. So now we're at my Lola's kitchen. Here's the chili mansi and the bowls that we need. So first we gotta cut this open. Okay, now we're gonna put the noodles in the pot filled with boiling hot water for 3 minutes. Okay, let's put them in. I'm scared of the hot water, so I think I'm gonna get burnt. So I'm not gonna dump the rest. So we're gonna wait for 3 minutes. Now we're gonna drain the hot noodles into the sink. Okay, after we drain the noodles, we're gonna put it in the sauce. Okay, now we got the noodles and the sauce. We will dump the noodles into the sauce and then start mixing it. Okay, now we're done mixing it. I'm not gonna eat it by myself. No. I'm gonna share it with my family. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.